30s tonight. A look ahead to brighter, warmer conditions with that extended forecast.
Receiving a cancer diagnosis can be life-changing and tough for some, but for one local woman, she didn't let it slow her down one bit.
For Breast Cancer Awareness Month, NBC24's Bree Malaska spoke to one patient who has decided to let positivity take her through nearly a year of treatments. Bree.
1 in every 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer during their lifetime, and you would never guess that Julie is one of them. She let her strong-willed, feisty attitude carry her through the chaos. Julie Hayes went in for her annual mammogram in August of last year when the doctor noticed something wasn't right.
My grandmother died of breast cancer back in the early 70s. She was only 59. And so, you know, it's kind of always been in the back of my mind.
She was sent for an MRI when they found a lump, leading to the life-changing diagnosis that just like her grandmother, Julie had breast cancer.
Honestly, one of the hardest things I had told my husband, but the hardest part was telling my son, because I knew he'd been worried about me.
Julie's tumor was over 3 centimeters large. She went through 8 rounds of chemo to shrink the tumor down to 1 centimeter before she had it taken out.
She knew right away that this wasn't going to be the end of her. It was just a journey along the way.
But Julie wasn't like most patients. She refused to let her diagnosis stop her, making her trips to the doctor more like a trip to visit old friends. Julie and Dr. Kara Hertzfeld quickly developed a close relationship, along with many other staff members at the ProMedica Maumee Cancer Center.
In general, when patients first come to me with a cancer diagnosis, they're overwhelmed, they're scared, their life has just taken a dramatic change. When Julie came in, things were a little different. You know, she had been diagnosed with breast cancer, but she came in with such a positive attitude and such a fighting spirit.
She credits her incredible support system, especially her husband, who took her to every doctor's appointment she had, despite her many attempts to tell him no.
And he's like, no, girl, we're in this together. And just love him even more today for all that he did for me.
Now, Julie finished her last round of radiation in May and says her most recent mammogram came back clear. Now she's encouraging other women to get their yearly mammograms because if she didn't, she never would have known. Live in the newsroom, Bree Malaska, NBC24 News.
Starting today in Ohio, you must be 21 to buy all tobacco products. You'll start noticing these signs at gas stations.